Hey guys, what's up? It's me, your girl Free Spirit is. How you guys doing today? It is the weekend, y'all, and I am out again with a big surprise for y'all. Guess who's here?
Hi guys, me.
So today, guys, we are doing another outing, y'all. We are at Jin Korean Barbecue, y'all. I'm trying to get this camera up for y'all. Okay, yeah, there it is. Jin Korean Barbecue, y'all. And it is the weekend, and we are out, and we are trying to have a good time. I needed a break from cooking. It is freezing cold out here, y'all. So we got to get in there. So we'll see y'all in a minute. So guys, they usually have all the meats at Jin Korean Barbecue at the buffet, so you can come here and basically choose whatever kind of meat you want. And they're seasoned to perfection. Everything just looks so delicious, y'all. I'm like so excited. Pork, there's chicken, seasoned and unseasoned vegetables. And then over here, there's a bunch of different sauces, like spicy, sriracha, chili, soy sauces, noodles, fried rices, two different fried rices, corn mixed veg, sweet chicken, and spicy chicken. Oh my goodness, there's so much here, guys. So much. And then there's the salad bar. Woo! Oh my god, y'all. We got, looks like potato salad, seaweed salad, we got the snow peas, tofu, the kimchi. Oh my god, y'all. Oh my god, I can't wait to try this, y'all. There's so much. I'm so excited, y'all. Yes, first time Korean barbecue. First time seafood is tried. So guys, we're at the table now and we're about to start eating. I hope you guys can hear me. We are gonna say grace right quick and then we're gonna get to chomping. So, let's say grace. Lord bless this food and bless the hands that make it. And may it nourish us. Amen. Amen. Let's eat, y'all. Short and sweet. I am so excited. This is my first time doing Korean barbecue. We literally have to cook our meats ourselves on the grill. We tried to get as much of the grill as we could for y'all, but this is what we got. They had a salad bar which involves kimchi, some seaweed salad, some tofu, bean sprouts, so I grabbed some of that. And guess what, guys? Also, they have starters for like before you start, eating while you're waiting for your meat. They have like noodles, fried rice, vegetables, and some corn. So we both got that. Right. And then we got an assortment of meats. They have some of the meats at the buffet where you can just pick your own. They got, an array of meat. They got fish, squid, they got pork, beef, all of it, sausage, chicken, everything is at the buffet. So like as you're picking your salads and stuff, you can be picking your meats. The premium meats, if you get the dinner, which is $27.99 for dinner, and I believe it's $18.99 for lunch. Dinner starts after 3 o'clock. So at dinner time, they give you way more meats. They give you premium meats, and the premium meats are the only ones that you have to order from the waiter. But everything else is at the buffet, so you pick everything you want. So guys, I'm going to just tell you as we go along. So let's get to eating. So I guess we'll start putting our meat on the grill, right? All right, so they give you these, grab one. They give you these, they're slicing the meat off for you. So this one is like barbecue. You do your own stuff. So which one do you want to start with?
This one looks good.
Okay, I think that's the rib, right? Yeah. I'm not sure. Y'all, don't quote me on it. Yeah. But it looks like the ribs. So I'm about to throw these on the grill. Ooh! And they've already set the temperature, y'all. Y'all can hear that sizzle?
So like, is it like seasoned already?
Yeah, these premium meats, they've already seasoned them and everything. Some of the meats are seasoned, some of them are unseasoned. So I'm gonna just throw all the meats on there. What do you think? I think this is bacon.
How long is this cooking?
It's not like the hot, the shabu shabu where the meat was already
cool.
Yeah, like kind of, it was super thin, so it was easier to cook. This one is, you actually have to barbecue your stuff, y'all. And I think this is like It looks like garlic. Hold up. Garlic, ginger. Oh my god, it smells so good. Smell it, babe. It smells so good.
It smells like ginger and garlic.
Exactly. So I'm gonna throw all this on there. Babe, grab your sauce because you're gonna have to help me. I'm not gonna be doing all the queuing by myself, y'all. That's good. Man, y'all, I am so excited to be here tonight. It's the weekend. Oh, hold up. I didn't do the weekend dance. I gotta do the weekend dance for my tribe. It's the weekend. It's the weekend. We made it to the weekend. We made it.
Yes, please. Thank you very much.
No problem. We
Appreciate
made
it.
it to the weekend. We made it to the weekend, y'all. And I don't care about the interruption because it's the weekend dance. How y'all doing? It's your girl, Priest Paradise. I hope you guys are having fun because, man, I am enjoying myself. I haven't even started eating yet. This is so much fun. And y'all, this is, for all my local subscribers, this is right off of Sam West Houston and Beach Nut. And this is basically like, this is a cool chill spot. What do you think?
Oh, it's good.
They pass me the other meat. They got squid and tripe and some other stuff. Right here we got a little bit of pork, seasoned pork, some tripe. And I also got, oh yeah, I got some animal intestines, y'all. Because I'm an adventurous. This kind of reminds me of shit.
I know.
Except we're doing our own.
Look at that. So.
Yeah. I'm gonna put some tripe on here. Ooh, y'all. Let me put some onions on here, babe.
You're gonna put this onion on there?
Yeah. And some bell pepper. For flavor. I'm adding bell peppers and onions for flavor, y'all. So how y'all doing? I hope you guys are doing great. Because I'm over here chilling. Comment down below what y'all think. Now, I know some of y'all thinking, oh, have I abandoned mukbang? No. I'm still going to be doing my mukbang. But like I told y'all before, my dream is for us to travel and connect with as many people in the world through food. Learn about each other, learn about each other's culture. I even have some stuff that I looked up about Korean barbecues and when they started. Hold up, y'all. Let me pull it up. First of all. Oh, wait. You want to do a shot?
Yeah.
We got some sake, y'all. I forgot to tell y'all. We got some sake, which was recommended Soon Harry. This is peach flavor. And then we also got apple. So, already poured a shot. Cheers to the weekend, y'all. Ooh, that's delicious.
No, smooth too.
Ooh, it is smooth. Yes.
So I need a plate. I want to bring this out.
Okay. Oh shit. You gotta go grab a plate. I forgot we're gonna need extra plates. Frank, you gotta go grab a plate, y'all. While he's gone, I'm gonna still try and cook this meat. So what y'all doing this weekend? I hope you guys are having a fabulous time. Please comment down below. Let me know what you're doing. And y'all, don't forget to like. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. What is the hold up? It's time for us to have fun. Join the Free Spiriters tribe. And don't forget to comment and share this video if you enjoyed it. Let's keep cooking this meat, y'all. So basically, we're just gonna cook this meat and eat this meat. And y'all, I didn't even have anything particular in mind when I came out tonight. I just said, I think this is something we should do at least once a week. What do you think?
Yeah, this is a good idea.
What do y'all think? Go out to eat once a week.
Hey, what is this
on the
again?
town. Oh yes, this is tripe. Oh, hold up, let me show it. Y'all, they have tripe here, spicy tripe. I got some, so we're going to put some on the grill. And some pork belly. I just want to show y'all everything. They have everything. Every kind of meat you can imagine, they have it.
So it's gonna be like good.
Huh?
I'll put a bit of everything.
Okay, yeah, put some of the tripe on there too. Ooh, that looks good.
I'm gonna put all of it.
So that. And another thing is you have to be, if you take any meat, just make sure you eat it all. They're not too much concerned about everything else, but the meat, do not waste any meat. And you know we're gonna eat all this meat. Because I'm a carnivore. So what's up, y'all? Comment down below. What is going on with y'all? What are y'all doing today? Are y'all out and about like we are? Are you home staying safe? Because, you know, these are trying times, guys. And that's another thing. This place is totally clean, totally safe. Everybody's wearing their mask. It's perfect. Like I said, it's a perfect chill spot. Gotta get my water.
So which one we put last so we can, which one are we supposed to move next?
Huh?
Which one are we supposed to move next?
Move? I think it's these ones, but they still have to cook. They still have a way to go. Yeah, they still need to cook a little bit more.
What is it?
That's pork belly. Seasoned pork belly. This one is unseasoned. And you gotta keep turning this, y'all, or else you're gonna have some burnt meat.
Yeah.
But it's still getting my teeth. Yeah. Let me get one of those. Can you pass that plate to me? Let me put this over here. Ooh, this looks good. That's what the skizzers is for. They give you skizzers to cut it. Actually, I think I'm gonna put this back on. It's not cooked to the way I want it. What'd you say? Huh? What'd you say, baby? The music is super loud in here.
Yeah, and it's like K-pop, right? It's not like
I
K-pop.
don't know. Is it? I have no idea.
It's not like K-pop.
I have no idea, y'all. I don't know. I am like oblivious when it comes to music. Certain music. Let me not say all music. I'm putting that back on, y'all, because it's not cooked the way I want it. So, man, I hope you guys are having a fabulous weekend, because I am just chillaxing. You know what? While I'm waiting for this, I think I'm gonna try some of the salad. While I wait for the meat. Here's the salads. I got some seaweed, some bean sprouts, and some tofu right here. I hope you guys are hearing me. Oh my God. Wow. That's the tofu, y'all. Babe. Try the tofu.
What's that? Tofu?
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
I know,
Why is
right?
it on different?
I don't know.
Because it tastes like egg roll.
Exactly.
Why?
It's a different flavor.
Wow.
Yeah. This is some seaweed salad, y'all. First bite, take it.
Do you guys need any grill change? Grill change? We used to do grill change.
What do you need to grill it?
Because it is burnt.
Can you pass me that plate? Let me remove some of this meat from there. Oh, don't worry, I'll use it.
Oh my God, this seaweed salad is amazing, y'all. Wow. The flavor, the umami, it's just like, oh my god. And this is the bean sprout. Oh my god.
What? You're just so
Why are they doing this?
I know. You're just so
This
happy.
food is so amazing. Y'all, the flavors. I can actually taste the bean. This literally tastes like bean. You know how beans are?
Right.
The raw bean.
Right.
And then the sprout. And I just put some sesame. There's this sesame oil, sesame seed salad dressing that was there. I put on the side. I just did a little bit here. Try it.
What is that?
That's a bean sprout.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that something?
I know.
It's so
Oh my
good.
God, it's so good.
Yeah,
It's the best this one I've tasted.
exactly. And you can taste, and there's like a little bit of the bean hanging off of it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you guys in a second. Here, try some of the seaweed. The seaweed is really good. It has like a seaweed flavor. What do you think?
Oh my God.
Isn't that amazing?
I'm not going to you.
I know. That's what I said.
You can cook, man.
That's what I said. Look at this, y'all.
Babe, I think we're going to read that.
This is the bean sprout. It has like the bean hanging off of it. That is so good. Are those all cooked?
Yeah.
Are they cooked? Are you sure?
Yeah, baby, they're all cooked.
You want to change the pan already?
Yeah. Like, well, you know, pass me that your plate.
Ooh! Maybe they can turn the fire down a little bit. Because we need to put those, I want to grill those bell peppers a little bit longer.
Okay.
Wow. Y'all, this bean sprout, they need to stop playing with me.
They're really nice, huh?
They need to stop. I need the recipe. Hey, for all my Korean peeps out there, do y'all know about this bean sprout salad? Please, comment down below the recipe because this is bomb. Oh my god. So bomb. Oh my god. I guess whenever you need the waiter to come by and change anything or get you anything, there's a button that turns the light on next to your table, and then once they see the light, boom, they're at your table. The service is really good here. And as y'all can see, I'm sure y'all see, they come and ask, constantly asking us what's good. So Jin Korean barbecue is not bad.
Can I turn on the light now?
Kimchi is really good. What's the kimchi?
What's that?
Kimchi.
A go change?
Yes. I want to get all this garlic there, babe. Don't waste this garlic. I need this garlic.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No problem.
I want that garlic. Ooh, roasted garlic, y'all. Roasted garlic. Oh, wow.
What's that? Roasted garlic?
Yeah.
How does this taste?
Very good. The salad dressing that I dipped that bean in.
Yeah.
That's why I said y'all need to give me the recipe.
Right?
So, anyway, let me grab your plate. The salad is good, y'all. So these are the plates. Some of the side food that they have for if you're waiting for your meat to cook. Ooh, that kimchi is spicy, y'all. Babe, you could probably reach that side better than me. Oh, excuse me. Woo! Some of this meat I want to put back on the grill. Ooh! Because I like my meat to be like nice and brown, especially this type of meat. So how are y'all doing? I hope you guys are doing fabulous. Because your girl is fabulously enjoying her some Korean barbecue for the very first time in her life. On her with y'all. I'm gonna cook this a little bit longer too. The intestines. Because none of this is pre-cooked. And the meat is like super thick. It's not like the other meats from when we were having the shabu shabu. Those meats were super thin. These are like, this is the only thin one.
Yeah, this one is like really thin.
Yeah, everything else is super thick. So I want to make sure everything's cooked. So, y'all. Ooh, you know what? Let me finish my. The salad is really good. It's really good. No lie. It's super good. I might even end up filling out that salad. It's the seasoning. It's amazing. It's amazing.
Oh my god, the noodles, oh my god.
Alright. It's time for this. Let's try this one. I got some noodles, some glass noodles, fried rice, corn, and some stir-fried vegetables. I'm trying not to get too much. Ooh. These glass noodles are so bouncy. Wow. Let's go. Wow. That's really good. It has like some kind of soy sauce based seasoning. Oh my god. Those are really nice. Those noodles are nice, y'all. And like I always tell you guys, do not hesitate to get outside of your box and try something new. I never tried Korean barbecue. I've never done this before with you guys. This is the first. So we're both having a first together. This is our first time having Korean barbecue. This is my first time doing anything, you know, on anything like this on here, on this platform. I've never made any kind of Korean food before, so I am like super psyched. And I hope you guys are enjoying yourself. Like I said, if you are, don't forget to hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe so that we can have more fun like this. Because this is basically, when I said we're out and about and we're going to connect through food and learn and you know, like trip around, this is what I was talking about, y'all. I mean, this is fun. Here's some fried rice.
Yours looks different from mine.
I don't know what kind of fried rice. It's like there's like two different rices. I don't know which one is which. And that one kind of looks like jollof.
Yeah.
Alright. So, it's time for some meat, y'all. Hold up. Let me taste the corn.
Can I pick this up for you guys?
I want some
Garlic? Okay,
Yes.
no problem.
Thank you so
No
much.
problem.
I need that garlic, y'all. Is that good? But I am having so much fun. I am so glad that we were able to do this because this, y'all, this is one of the things I've been wanting to do for such a long time is just go out and have some fun on the town and check out the food scene, you know? And this is like super, super exciting for me. So I hope you guys are enjoying yourself. We're about to do another shot of sake before, you know, I want to try everything with y'all. I'm sorry.
Here you go.
Thank you.
No
Thank
problem.
you. Woo, thank you. I asked for more garlic, so he brought more. I'm gonna put some on here because, y'all, that roasted garlic is so bomb. Can y'all tell I'm excited? You think they can tell I'm excited?
Yeah. I get that.
Okay, I'm like super excited because I love barbecuing. If you know me, how many times do I barbecue in the summertime?
3 times a week.
Like literally, almost 3 times a week. Any chance I get, y'all, literally.
Mama, can you pass me that? I want to have some of that. You done? It's solid.
That's the kimchi. A little bit. What you mean for that? But if y'all know me, I love barbecue. So I am so excited to have this like little mini barbecue. Where I can like barbecue little mini, little pieces of meat and just eat it as it cooks. That's like so exciting. Alright. I'm waiting for the intestine to get done so we can try some of the intestine. I think I got 1 intestine that looks ready. Maybe 2. Actually, this is on the plate. Put that back on there and warm it up. Y'all, I'm having so much fun. Can you imagine? Just being able to do this and enjoy it at the same time. Okay, here we go. Let me grab this. Here goes some intestine, y'all. We're about to eat some of this. I used to love this when they make it in Nigeria, suya, and they put the pepper on it.
Please, thank
Go
you
ahead,
very
thank
much.
you.
Appreciate it.
So here goes some pork belly, y'all. So you see what I said about the service? They're constantly coming to your table, clearing the table. And if you tell them to bring you some stuff, they'll bring you some stuff. So, and this is some steak here, y'all. All right, let me get some more meat here for us. Let this garlic sizzle a little bit. Ooh. The tripe is cooking, but it's not cooking as fast as I would like for it to cook. I wanted the bell peppers to char a little bit more. And the steak, y'all.
It's a lot so
It's really good, isn't it? I told you, it's delicious. It's delicious. Alright. Grab some of this garlic and put it on here. I think I got a little bit of everything. Look at all that. That's what we're about to get into. Alright. Babe, grab you some. What are this? Tripe. Yeah, let's just. Look at that.
This one?
No, that's the bacon.
Which one is fried?
Hold on.
They all look so good. Oh, yeah.
It's just like the one at home, except it's a little sweet.
Yeah.
The only difference is it doesn't have seasoning.
Yeah.
It's the same thing. And it looks like a noodle, y'all. Look at that. And it's creamy inside, chewy on the outside.
Yes.
So good.
Yeah, there's something inside. Let me hear it anyway.
The fat. It's the fat. This is some pork belly with some white onion. No matter what you're doing in life, just try your best. And do something you've never done before. I'm telling you, you're going to love yourself. Babe, hold on. Let's finish this and then we'll put more meat on.
Because these aren't all the way done.
And you know, Ishan, I thought they were ready.
They're not
Actually
done.
took them out.
They're not done yet. They need to be a little charred and a little golden, you know?
Right.
So you can dig in.
Are those cooking all for you?
Yeah, these are good.
The green pepper.
Yeah, because those you can eat raw. I just wanted to char them a little bit. You see how good the garlic is after it's charred a little bit on the grill?
That's right.
Now I think I got one tripe here, y'all. To try for y'all.
Wow, this is garlic?
Did you taste it?
Yeah.
Isn't it amazing?
It doesn't even taste like garlic.
Okay, so I'm gonna try some tripe for y'all. With some garlic. Really should be, ooh. I should just pick this meat up with my hands and call it a day. Okay, little piece of garlic and some tripe.
How's it?
That's very nice. Very nice. Pork belly, onions, and garlic. Amazing.
With this?
Yeah, and this too.
Thank you.
No problem.
So, we also got some chili oil, which we haven't needed to use yet. We are going to tell you guys goodbye now. We'll take another shot because it's the weekend. Grab your shot. Cheers. Cheers to the weekend, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried to get as much of the picture as possible. A little mishaps here and there. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. There's no reason to wait. It's time to subscribe so that we can have more fun. Have an amazing weekend, y'all. And I'm going to see you guys on the next. Oh, wait. Hold up. I can't close the video out yet. Okay. So after you subscribe, you need to hit the notification bell icon. That notifies you every time what? We make videos. Or I make a video.
Yeah.
You'll be notified. This is the we, y'all. We spirit is proud. So y'all, until the next video, y'all have a fabulous weekend. I'm chilling over here. Y'all can tell I'm chilling. See y'all later.